Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now let's make some orange and sweet chili salmon. So guys, here I have my salmon. I'm going to be moisturizing it with oil. Moisturizing. Yeah, so I'm moisturizing that with oil. Just go ahead and rub that oil all over that salmon, and it's just a beautiful piece of salmon, of course. Yeah, just go ahead and rub that oil all over it, just so that the season can stick to it. Now the seasons that I'm using are garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and Old Bay season. And I'm just gently rubbing that all over the salmon. Now guys, I'm adding some of that sweet chili sauce to my salmon. Just go ahead and baste the top with it. The sauce looks so good on the salmon. I just love sweet chili on salmon. It tastes so good, guys. Like, trust me, you have to try this recipe. Like, all my recipes are really good. Like, everything that I do are. Now guys, I'm adding some chopped garlic to the salmon just to enhance the flavor. So now that I'm cutting my salmon into individual pieces. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this fish is. Am I the only one that notices that salmon is just so beautiful? I think it's the only fish I'd probably eat raw. Like, trust me, I would eat this right now. Same way as it is right now, I would eat it. So guys, earlier on, I sliced some oranges. Now I'm going to be laying the salmon on top of those orange, and I'm going to be baking it in a preheated oven at a temperature at 300 degrees, guys. 300 degrees. And I'm going to be baking these for about 15 minutes. Guys, please forgive the angle in which this was recorded, but I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was super easy. This was practically under 30 minutes. Super easy, guys. I love you guys so much for watching, and I promise I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.